To reach the Swayambunath temple, you can get a taxi or take a 30-minute walk from the bustling tourist hub of Tamil. The temple complex dates back to the 5th century and is one of the oldest and most revered Buddhist pilgrimage sites in Nepal. The 365 steps represent the number of days in a year. Climbing these steps is a symbolic journey, reflecting the passage of time through 1 year and the dedication required to reach enlightenment. The Swayambunath temple, also known as the Monkey Temple, is perched atop a hill in the Kathmandu Valley and offers a panoramic view of the city. The steps encourage visitors to reflect on life's journey, both physical and spiritual. Each step is a reminder of the effort and perseverance needed to attain wisdom and spiritual growth. They certainly make you question your own fitness. The monkeys and dogs live in harmony and do not bother the human intruders. This only comes from the various vendors. The two outside Buddha statues are posed to symbolize enlightenment and steadfastness, while the one in the center has the right hand lowered with the palm facing outward, in a gesture of bestowing blessings or of giving charity. In Buddhism, elephants symbolize mental strength on the path toward enlightenment. It is believed that the entire valley was once filled with an enormous lake, out of which grew a lotus. The valley came to be known as Swayambhu, meaning self-created. Later, the water drained out of the lake, leaving the valley in which Kathmandu now lies. The lotus was transformed into a hill and the flower became the Stupa. A stupa is a hemispherical structure containing relics, such the remains of Buddhist monks or nuns, and used as a place of meditation. The temple is revered by both Buddhists and Hindus, symbolizing the harmonious coexistence of different religious traditions in Nepal. Pilgrims and monks walk around the stupa in a clockwise direction, often spinning prayer wheels as they go. This act is believed to accumulate merit and bring good karma. Prayer wheels are used mainly by Buddhists of Tibet and Nepal to spread spiritual blessings and well-being. Rolls of thin paper, imprinted with thousands of copies of the mantra Om Mani Padme Hum or sacred texts, are wound around an axle inside the wheel and spun around and around. It is believed that the power of the spinning sound is as effective as reciting the sacred texts aloud. temple is one of the holiest Buddhist shrines and has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1979.
पसलै बन्द रहेछ पसल बन्द भएछ पसल बन्द रहेछ Is your mum pulling at you again, Leo?
Yeah, she is.
She's pulling at you again, oh no.
There are many rituals taking place here at different times. A common one is the lighting of butter lamps, symbolizing the dispelling of darkness and ignorance. The monkeys of the temple are regarded as being holy. This is because Manjushri, the bodhisattva of wisdom and learning, was raising the hill on which the stupa now stands. He was supposed to keep his hair short, but he allowed it to grow long and developed head lice. It is said that the head lice transformed into these monkeys. In Hinduism, the monkeys are considered holy and believed to be the emissaries of the Hindu deity Hanuman. They are seen as protectors of the temple.
Same,